Hello guys, it's me Shreya. You're watching my YouTube channel Fact Testy. In today's video, we are going to know about some interesting facts related to India which can blow your mind. So without further ado, let's begin today's video. Let's go. Guys, do you know that in Punjab there's a temple which serves millions of meals a year and those meals are free. That temple's name is Amritsar Gold Temple. I have also visited to Amritsar Gold Temple. Have you visited to Amritsar Gold Temple? You can just comment down. Let's continue. Amritsar Gold Temple is one of the most dazzling and architectural monuments in India, but is also a site of generosity and compassion. The Sikh temple is open to people for all religion. It's not like those Hindu temples which don't allow some specific type of religion, but this temple allows all the religions. So this is a good thing. Every day it serves a simple vegetarian meal, often to over 50,000 people. What? So many people a day? What even more impressive is the most all ingredients are donated. Wow, it's such a nice thing that people are donating foods to people who need food to eat, and people who cannot eat or cannot access to food, or it is very difficult for them to buy groceries and make food, then they can come to Golden Temple for a free meal. And I have also eaten a meal there, and the meals seem to me quite good, and it is not bad as we think like free meals are very bad, but still Amritsar Temple free meals are quite tasty like restaurants. I think restaurants might be failing. So let's move to the next fact. Did you know that in some places of India, Coke and Pepsi are used as pesticides? What? We drink pesticide. I think from tomorrow I will stop drinking those Coke, Pepsi and all. In Chhattisgarh, like poor states of India, where the per capita ratio is very less than other states of India, which is one of the largest producer of rice producing area, and farmers begin to spray their fields with Coke and Pepsi products since they are cheaper than traditional pesticides. What? Pesticides are more costly than Coke and Pepsi. It might be, and it seemed to be work just as well. What? I think we should stop drinking Coke and Pepsi. And I heard that before days when Coke, no one knew Coke, and in United States only people drink Coke and Coca-Cola. So that days people used to drink Coca-Cola as a medicine. And I have heard that before Coca-Cola company also made ketchups, and it is also used as medicine. So it might be used as a pesticides to kill insects and all. On looking more closely at this method, it is thought that the sweet syrup attracts ants to the field, which eats the eggs and larvae of insects that commonly destroy crops. It is a very intelligent idea to use Coke and Pepsi as a pesticide, because this method is quite cheap for the farmers, and it is quite very easy because Coke and Pepsi is available everywhere, and pesticides I don't think so it is so available. That is why it is more costly than Coke and Pepsi. So it might be working just well for farmers with Coke and Pepsi. Why this interesting fact? Let's move to our next fact. As you know that almost every Indian love to eat sweet dishes, and I also love to eat sweets. India is one of the first country to refine and consume sugar. What? Yes, you are correct. India is one of the first country to refine and consume sugar consumers. And if you have the sweet tooth, you have India to thank for it. India, the first place where sugar was extracted, refined and used in cooking. Although one people got taste to delicious stuff, production quickly spread around the world. And I have heard that, guys, if you consume the normal sugar, it's not good for our health. And it is good that if we consume brown sugar because it has some properties of gur. Gur is something like which is not refined sugar, but it is very good for our health. So hearing these delicious facts, by this fact we come to the end of this video. I hope you like this video. Share this video with the kind ones. Subscribe to Factasty for more interesting fact videos and knowledge videos. And you can from now onwards you can also find some drawing and painting videos in Factasty. And guys, please be stay tuned for a new painting skills of mine. And this is Shreya signing off. Bye guys. Peace out.
What I said.